Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to ask Genie, the AI chatbot, to explain you something on the Genie application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the chat button down below in the left side corner, and then click on the explain button at the top. Here you can see two recommendations: explain quantum physics, or what are wormholes, explain like I am 5. So you should type in your question to which you would like to receive an explanation into the search bar at the bottom of the screen. So type in an instruction such as explain for example, let's stick to this example that's given at the top: explain quantum physics for me. Type it in and then click on the done button and tap on the send button next to it on the right side of the screen, and in a few seconds the chatbot will give you
quantum physics is the branch of physics that,
as you can see, it also reads it aloud, but you can turn off the speaker at the top of the screen, as you can see it there. So if you want to copy the answer, tap on the copy button down below, and if you want it to be rephrased, click on the regenerate button and it will be rephrased or regenerated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.